Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to the Wild Wheels. This is Vineet and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to Sabanahalli Lake. It's around 80 kilometers from Bangalore. Sunday morning and a beautiful day to ride. I don't know what has happened in Bangalore, but I think सबके पास super bikes आ चुकी हैं. Because I was just setting up my camera and उस 5 minute में I saw like 15 super bikes. Ninja, BMW, you name it. You literally have everything here. And I don't know, I mean it's been a week, not a week, it's been a month since I rode last on this road. And ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कि number of bikes have suddenly increased. Whoa, buddy! Alright, so I have to be very, very careful now because whoa! So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. The number of bikes on this road, and in fact I think overall Bangalore में काफ़ी ज़्यादा increase हो चुकी है. I mean everywhere you see there is a Ninja or there is a BMW 1250 or a 900. Crazy stuff in Bangalore nowadays. In fact the road where I stay, Whitefield Main Road, I used to think I am the only one who kind of owns a super bike. Too naive of me, but आजकल almost every 5 or 10 minutes you would see a BMW 1250 GS crossing. Not Ninjas, there are a lot of 1250 GS that have come. So adventure tourer का ज़माना है, I think. And I see these Ninjas, मेरा भी मन कर जाता है यार. I mean it's not like my bike is slow in any sense, but Ninja की बात तो कुछ है यार. Alright, so the plan is to go to Sabanahalli Lake. I've been there once. काफ़ी टाइम से प्लान कर रहा था कि फिर से जाऊँगा. Didn't get a chance. आज मौका मिला है. Riding this bike almost after a month. बीच में एक बार निकाला ज़रूर था, but I didn't shoot. And it was for a very, it was like for 30 minutes, that's all. And this road is just lovely. मतलब I know थोड़ा बोरिंग हो जाता है, at least from content perspective. बट राइड करने में जो मज़ा है यहाँ पर, मुझे तो अभी तक और कोई रोड नहीं मिली इन बैंगलोर where I enjoy this way. Now you know, with experience 140, 130 seems to be the new normal for me. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but in such open roads पता भी नहीं चलती है यार कि बाइक इतना स्पीड जा भी रही है. And I just keep thinking, if I am going at 140, what is the speed of those Ninjas? Are they going at 160, 180, 200? Maybe 200, because it doesn't seem like 160. And the other thing is, how safe is it? मतलब the roads are good, I agree, but still yaar, driving 200 on such roads, not very sure if that should be done. In fact, driving 140 on such roads is even dangerous. There was some news that bikes को भी टोल देना पड़ेगा. I don't know when that's gonna apply. यार बाइकर्स की और कितनी मारोगे यार. My simple question is this. XP95 तो हटा दिया and सब कुछ E20 कर दिया. I don't know, man. So yeah, I think this is what happens, right? I mean, you ride at such high speeds, then I think you need some time to, catch your breath. But these guys are again going to cross me. So I have to be extremely careful. Because when they do, either I have to be on the left hand side, on the right hand side, कहीं कोने में चलता रहना चाहिए. Because these people are crazy, man. Wow. Anyway, I'll continue. And that doesn't look very safe. MotoGP करते हुए जा रहा है बंदा. So the way to Sabanahali, it's pretty straightforward. From Whitefield, go to the STRR, straight towards Tumkur, and then before the Devanahalli crossing, take right from Devanahalli basically, and then keep going straight for another, I think 30 to 40 kilometers, and it's on your left hand side. Oh, I should have taken it. Yeah, I keep missing this turn. I keep missing this turn, yaar. Every single time I keep missing this turn. Miss one turn, and this is what you have to deal with. Alright, so I found a way back to Hyderabad highway. 10 मिनट लग गया इसको ढूंढने में वापस. So don't miss that turn, because if you do, you lose 10 minutes. I'm not sure आज ND filter लगाने का दिन था कि नहीं. I have anyway fixed it, but let's see yaar. I'm not very sure. Maybe I shouldn't have used ND filter today, because sun is always going to be on my back. तो ND filter videos को कुछ ज़्यादा ही dark ना कर दे. That's my only concern. पर देखते हैं. Oh, good one. कौन सी बाइक है यार ये? How long is it showing? 1 hour, 59 kilometers from here. Okay. So it's not much. Around 60 kilometers only. I'm thinking to have some breakfast as well, but कहाँ मिलेगा breakfast is the question. Penukonda Fort is also on the same road. I think it's around 100 kilometers from here. Takes about 2 hours, I think, from this point. That's a wonderful place as well. Specifically made for bikers. Yeah, if it is after Big Bay, then that's a spot to stop and then, have some good breakfast and then move forward. The only thing is, as usual, I am short on time. I should have started a bit early. Well, you know what? We need a 3-day weekend here. See, one day you need for resting. The other day you need to give your family some time, थोड़े personal काम करने के लिए. And the third day should be specifically left for riding, so that you don't miss out on anything. Oh man, इतने अच्छे हाईवेज बनाए हैं तो इसको ही बना दो यार. यहाँ पे सडनली ऑफ रोड करने की क्या ज़रूरत है? Okay, on the left hand side I have a KTM. I don't know if it's a new one or not. देखने से लग तो रहा है नया वाला है, but not sure. देखते हैं. We'll get to know. We'll get to know soon enough. ये कहाँ आ गया मैं? Why did I come here? Why? Why did I come here, buddy? Why did I come here? एक तो मेरे पैर पहुंचते नहीं है नीचे. That's another big issue. Oh, this guy is also making videos यार. ये भी वीडियो बना रहा है. Oh, and this guy is doing it in another way. अच्छा, ऐसा भी तरीका है क्या? वो जो वीडियो बना रहा है, he is doing it in that in the portrait view. Okay, but why so? उससे क्या होगा कि you will not be able to post it on YouTube. Maybe he is not posting it on YouTube, only Instagram. That's quite possible. यार अब मुझे लग रहा है कि I should maybe just go to Big Bay and then go back, because अब काफ़ी धूप हो चुकी है. And then सबरना लेक में इतना मज़ा आएगा नहीं. I need to start a bit early for Sabana Lake, maybe at around 5 o'clock. So this is like a Sunday breakfast ride to Big Bay. Oh wow, my wife would actually love this. Hyderabad is 510. Okay. Oh. Which bike is that? बड़ी कलरफुल सी बाइक है, बट समझ नहीं आ रहा कि कौन सी बाइक है. यामाहा वामा है लग रहा है. हाँ, इज दैट डीमार्ट? ओह, ऐसी जगह पे डीमार्ट भी है यार. आई थिंक इट्स फॉर नियर बाय टाउन्स एंड विलेजेस. हाँ, दैट्स गुड. बाइकर गैंग detailing wolves. Oh nice. What's that about? Oh okay, you want me to go fast? Let me go fast, buddy. Let me go fast. I'm gonna have, सोच रहा हूँ मैं ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खाऊंगा, because they have some good stuff, all South Indian of course, but काफ़ी बढ़िया चीज़ें हैं वहाँ पे. Maybe is it supposed to be gonna be idli vada, or they're doing something else? So Big Bay is like a place where they have multiple restaurants, right? So it's not just South Indian restaurant. They have Haldiram's, they have Burger King, they have Starbucks, they have few other stores. It's a good place to hang out. बट अब सुबह सुबह बर्गर किंग तो नहीं खा सकते, है ना। बर्गर किंग तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, तो ऑफ कोर्स आई विल नॉट हैव बर्गर किंग, बट आई विल डेफिनेटली हैव मे बी अ इडली और टू। इडली हो जाए तो मज़ा आ जाए। In fact, today at home, my mom is cooking appam and chicken stew. So ज़्यादा heavy मुझे नहीं करना है breakfast because lunch is gonna be pretty heavy. Appam and chicken stew. I don't know, North Indians को ये ज़्यादा पता भी है कि नहीं. It's a popular dish among Keralites. आई डोंट नो सिर्फ केरलाइट्स ही खाते हैं या और भी कोई खाता है, बट आई मीन डजंट रियली मैटर, आई लाइक इट। अच्छा डिश है चिकन का। एंड फॉर दोज हु हैवंट ट्राइड इट, आई थिंक यू गाइस शुड। द ओनली थिंग इज पीपल हु डोंट लाइक कोकोनट ऑयल और कोकोनट मिल्क, they of course will not like this dish because this is kind of cooked in coconut milk में ही बनता है ये, coconut milk and coconut oil. So thoda sa you will have that coconut flavor. So if you're not fond of that, then maybe yeah, we can skip it. Maybe next weekend देखते हैं, अगर if I get some time and अगर मैं ride कर पाया, then I will head and I'll go to Sabarmati Lake. Whoa. Okay. Okay. I was going to miss this. हमारा Big Bay आ चुका है, so let's go there. So this is the entrance to Big Bay. काफ़ी अच्छा बनाया. I don't know why they could have constructed this road as well, but I think that's okay. So this is our Big Bay. Not a lot of bikes today. नहीं तो जनरली यहाँ पे बहुत बाइक्स दिखती हैं. Okay, so a new restaurant has also opened. ये नहीं था पहले. There was no Kritunga and all. Okay. All right. Oh man. So we have reached Big Bay. अपना रेस्टोरेंट है वो IVTC, the one that you see on the green board. That's where I want to go. बढ़िया वहाँ पे इडली मिलता है. So I'm gonna have some idli, and then I'm gonna see you guys in a minute. All right, guys. So this was fun. इडली वड़ा खा लो. And you get to look at such beautiful bikes. दिन ही बन जाता है. So yeah, beautiful place to hang out with your rider friends. And काफ़ी अच्छा spot भी है. Oh, beautiful helmet यार. Shoei का helmet है उसके पास. Nice. I also plan to purchase a AGV helmet. So hopefully I'll get to do that. I think that was a H2. I don't know, man. But जो भी है, this place is crazy, and on Sundays it's lit. You'll get to see some really beautiful bikes and expensive helmets and stuff. But anyway, so this is it for our Sunday ride. I was supposed to go to Savannahalli Lake, but came to Big Bay instead. Maybe Savannahalli के लिए next week plan करते. But for now, that's all. So see you guys in the next time. If you like, please share and subscribe my channel, and catch you in the next one. Bye bye.